Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zendesk for lead capture and automation step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin section in the sidebar. Select apps from the list of options available. Click on the Marketplace tab within the Apps section. In the search bar, type lead capture and hit enter. Locate the lead capture app that suits your needs from the list. Click on the app to view its details. Review the app's description and features carefully. If it meets your requirements, click the Install button. Follow the prompts to authorize Zendesk for the app. You will be redirected to the app's authorization page. Enter your credentials for any external service you want to connect. Authorize the connection by clicking on the provided button. Wait for confirmation that the connection has been successfully established. Return to your Zendesk dashboard. Now navigate to the Automation section under Admin, click on Add Automation to create a new automation rule. Set the conditions that will trigger the automation. Define the actions that Zendesk should take when those conditions are met. Save your automation settings. Test the lead capture app to ensure it functions correctly. Monitor your leads in the Zendesk interface to track new entries. Adjust your automation settings as needed based on the results. Review the performance of your lead capture and automation process regularly. Make any necessary tweaks to optimize efficiency. Continue to refine your processes as you gather more leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.